Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga has stepped up his veiled criticism of President Mnangagwa's administration, implying his course against corruption, nepotism, and economic mismanagement in what analysts describe as a growing subtle rebellion within ZANU-PF. Samina Mashoka told out VP Nkosazana Chiwenga panguva ine kunyange kwakakundikana aiwa pa the ZANU-PF annual conference. Chiwenga aroramba akamaintaina position yake yekuboza zvikanana subscribe like on the bell icon. Timina unamobdanyi kwamchinzi. During a recent address in Mutare, Chiwenga took aim at entrenched corruption and uneven with the distribution marks, widely interpreted as a swipe at Mnangagwa's loyalist. Down with corruption, we want the wealth of the country to benefit everyone, not just a few, Chiwenga declared. His comments have been welcomed by some ruling party insiders and war veterans who view the vice president as echoing the frustrations of a disillusioned populace. Among them is war veteran Blessed Mesugeza, popularly known as Comrade Bombshell, who praised Chiwenga's stance as evidence that the people's voices are beginning to echo from within the system itself. Geza said Chiwenga's remarks symbolize a national awakening and the renewed courage among former allies of the ruling elite. Chiwenga has reminded us that the revolution was never about enriching a few, but empowering all Zimbabweans, Geza said in a statement issued on October 17. Political observers noted that Chiwenga, who orchestrated the 2017 military intervention that installed Mnangagwa as president, has in recent months become increasingly isolated from the Mnangagwa faction. His public pronouncements on transparency, fair wealth distribution, and fidelity to liberation ideals have been interpreted as part of a calculated effort to reassert military and nationalist influence within ZANU-PF ahead of the possible succession battle. Reports of internal discontent have continued to swell as war veterans and ex-combatants rally behind what they call a second liberation, a movement aimed at ending what they describe as elite capture and authoritarian consolidation under Mnangagwa's leadership. Geza, who has been mobilizing demonstrations across provinces, reiterated that the campaign to remove Mnangagwa from power would continue until the people's struggle for freedom was achieved. He commended Zimbabweans for participating in recent protests, calling their actions as a decisive step toward reclaiming the nation's destiny. Thomas Warubuda panguva ine atirikuona kuti aiwa panguva ine VP Nkosazana Chiwenga is fighting, arikuzama kuda kuwana a breakthrough kuti panguva ine asitope zvikananda aiwa pane occupier nekukapture our own state. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kuli pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nango section medu nzofunguro enyu. So subscribe or like chito on the bell icon.